What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a screen protector for the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And as you know, this has the anti-reflective coating on your device, so you don't have as much reflection on your device that you did in past devices. You can see it's totally matte. When using this device, you don't have a lot of reflection on here, which is excellent. Okay, now, but you know how it is, you don't want to scratch your phone. This is a really big display, 6-inch display, so you want to protect the screen. So Samsung sells this anti-reflecting screen protector that runs about 30 bucks, and I believe there are two in here. There better be for $30. As you can see here, the Galaxy 24 Ultra anti-reflecting screen protector. Alleviate your viewing experience with the Galaxy S24 Ultra anti-reflecting screen protector. This crystal clear film keeps your screen pristine and your content vibrant, even under direct sunlight. So we're gonna go ahead and install this, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna take a look to see if I get the same features that I get on having the anti-reflective coating. So we're gonna open this up, put it on, and take a look. All right, so the first thing that you wanna do is you wanna turn off your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, or 24 Plus, or 24, whatever one you have. That way you can take care of business. Then you're gonna wipe down your phone a little bit, just to kind of make sure you got all the extra dust off. And then I'm going to show you what to do next. Now, they give you two screen protectors here, which is great. So if you mess one up, but you're not, because you're going to follow this video, you're going to be good to go. They give you a microfiber cloth here. They give you this little guide here that goes on the bottom. And then they give you this little squeegee deal here to make sure you attach your screen. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get rid of this sticker here. You don't need that, or the sticker on this side, you don't need that. And then you're simply going to place this here, because it should stick, but you're just going to attach it here, totally here. And then I'm just going to use the box as a guide just so that I can have it. And then I'm going to wipe this down with the microfiber cloth. And then you're also going to use the dust removal stickers to give it, make sure everything is off. There's no dust, there's nothing on here, and it's completely clean. And here are the dust removal stickers, and there is a little piece here in the end that you can kind of grab with your hand. But this is an important part, because you want to make sure there's no dust on it. But if you wipe it down with the cloth and you do this all around the device, you're going to be good to go. All right, next you're going to grab one of your screen protectors on here. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove this part here, where it says 1. You're going to remove that. And that's kind of sticky right there, as you can see. Right there. And then you're going to turn this over, and you're going to place this here like so. Make sure that's down, and then you don't want to touch the screen. And you make sure you line it up with the camera hole here like that. And then you're going to touch your screen here. So that's the sticky part. So that's going to attach it on your device. All right, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your squeegee here, and you're going to use this in here. You're going to take this part here, and you're going to flip it over, and you're going to kind of just put that part of the screen protector on. Boom. That's the top part. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to turn it upside down. You're going to pop this off, this part here. Then you're going to pop off your little guide here. And then you're going to do the same thing on this side with the screen protector. You kind of put it on. That should go up like that. Like so. Then you're going to take your squeegee, you're going to push outward on the edges here on both sides. Then you're going to peel off your sticker here. Like that. And then you kind of rub around the edges here to make sure everything's adhered. And there you go. I think we have a pretty good installation. And we're going to go ahead and fire this bad boy on so we can kind of see how the fingerprint works, how this is anti-reflective. Now I will say this is not a tempered glass. This is more of a film. So it's going to probably most likely protect it from scratches, but we're going to see how well it holds up the next few days. And I'll probably, if you follow me on Twitter at Android Stud, or I'll be dropping some community posts on my YouTube also, so you can kind of see if you can keep up with. The fingerprint works fantastic because it is a very thin screen protector, but as far as the anti-reflective, I think it's, I can't really tell. I guess it is. I don't know. I think it's still one of those things where I don't think you can tell if it's anti-reflective. I think it does have more reflection than when you don't have it on.
All right, I want to take a minute, take a break in that video to show you the reflective, anti-reflective screen protector from Samsung in the sun. Now, I did notice today, I installed this last night. You're watching a video on this, and I did notice that you do lose that anti-reflective qualities from the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So if you are using this, it's not going to be anti-reflective. It is a cheaper screen protector. I do not think it's worth $30, but you do get two. It does protect it from scratches, but it doesn't keep that anti-reflective coating that you are enjoying on your S24 Ultra. I just wanted to kind of interrupt this video so we can give an update and give you a full review of this screen protector so you know what's going on. But that's it, man. I'm gonna get out of here and back to the video.
The one thing I'll say about this screen protector, it's not anything that's out of this world. It's not a tempered glass. It's not it's more of a film. It's more of the old school film that you would put on your phone. But it does try to mimic the anti-reflective properties of the device. But you guys tell me what you think. Is it reflective? Is it not reflective? You saw in the beginning of the video how it looked. Now here's how it looked after. I think there is a reflection on it more, but I don't think it's the end of the world if you ask me. But we're gonna go ahead and, yeah, the fingerprint works great. So I got no issues there, but that's how you install it. That's what it looks like. You guys let me know, drop down in the comments if you picked it up, if you installed this, or you watched this video to get it installed. Very easy if you follow the instructions. That's gonna do it. I'm Android Stud. You're watching YouTube